It's time to show me how messy your OneDrive is. Let's get started. So first thing, on the desktop, you're going to click the Office 365 button. Once it loads, you're going to click on the OneDrive Cloud icon over here. This will take you to your OneDrive, and this is where all your files are currently stored on your network for White Plains. So if you need to zoom out, you can hold Control and zoom. Zoom in, zoom out with your mouse by scrolling the wheel, and you can see more of the screen. And your goal is to take a couple of screenshots to showcase how currently messy your OneDrive is. Now you'll notice over here, even mine, I don't have all of these in folders, and these folders probably can be better organized than they currently are. So you'll also notice on this page, I got a lot of unorganized stuff. So I'm going to work on organizing this right now, and you guys will see my before and after. But I just want you guys to see that over time, things get messy if you don't keep it organized. And usually the reason it gets messy is because when I'm saving something, it doesn't have a spot to put it in. And you, while making it, aren't focused on organization, you're just focused on making it. So this is the chance to be focused on organization. This is what the purpose of the lesson is. And we're going to organize our OneDrive and clean it up according to the lesson. So first thing you got to do is you're going to take a screenshot, and that screenshot is going to be of everything over here, so that once I take this screen clip over here, I can then paste this over here, and then I can showcase that it's messy. You might need multiple screenshots if you are trying to showcase like all your pages. And some of you are going to have a lot of untitled documents, and you're going to fix that, and that's okay. Down below in the lesson, this is going to tell you exactly what to do to fix it. But right now, this step over here, 6, is just to showcase how messy your OneDrive is. So take a couple screenshots, paste them in here, and then we'll move on to the next step.